Hello guys, today I'm here with my Beatles style hair because I want to make a special video for you guys. I'm here today to show you guys this system from LaVivid. As I showed you guys in the last video, this system, it's my front lace with PU around. I did the cut in the base, but I have a problem. This system is not cut, was not pre-cut the hair. So what I want to do today is something special. You and me, we're gonna call together to the places and check how much they charge to do a hairstyle. And I wanna compare with you guys how much they're gonna charge or if they're not gonna charge, if it's easy to find a place to cut the hair system or if not. And we're gonna compare if it's a good deal to ask LaVivid to make a haircut, to do everything set for you, or is better you do it by yourself in a place that you trust. What is the deal? Is better to get done or is better to do it by yourself? So today I want to invite you guys to call with me and check what they answer. If they really know about the product, if they really know how this works, and let's check it out. So let's call the first place. I have here the numbers, so let's figure it out. Hello, I have a question. I have a hair system that I wear, and I wonder if you guys do the cut in the hair systems.
Not really.
You don't work with hair systems. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
They don't do this. Let's try another one.
The number you dialed is not in service.
Not in service.
Thank you for calling. How may I help you?
Hi, I wear a hair system and I wonder if you guys do this kind of job, if you guys cut hair systems.
I'm sorry, what kind of hair?
I have a hair system, like a wig for men's, and I wonder if you guys cut this kind of system.
No, we normally don't.
Oh, okay, no problem. Thank you so much.
I'm sorry about that.
No problem, no problem. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
All right. Bye-bye.
Don't.
Thank you for calling. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a question. I wear a hair system, and I want to ask you guys if you do this kind of cut, or you work with this kind of cut.
Okay.
Do you do like haircuts in hair systems?
Yeah, I can do that.
And how much would cost? Do you have an idea?
So is it long and you want it short, or is it like you want to just tailor it to your...
Yeah, it's like short. I just want to make sure it's gonna like have a style, like short hair style and match with my hair.
Okay, it's going to start at 35.
35? Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good one. Bye-bye. So you see this place, they charge 35, but looks like by the phone, she's not sure about and looks like she never did. I don't know if I would trust a hair system with this price for someone who never did this kind of work. So let's try another one. Hi, I have a question. I wear a hair system, and I wonder if you guys cut hair systems?
No, I don't.
No? Okay, thank you so much. So I already called 5 to 6 places, and let's try another one. Hello, I wear a hair system. I wonder if you guys cut hair systems?
Do a hair system?
Yeah, like a wig for men's.
No, this is a men's barbershop.
Okay, thank you so much.
Sure.
So guys, actually I called 7 places already. No places. I'm gonna keep trying. Hi, I have a question. I wear a hair system and I wonder if you guys do the cut on hair systems?
If we do a haircut on hair assistant?
Yeah, like a wig for men.
No, unfortunately we don't.
Okay, thank you so much.
Sorry about that. No problem at all.
No problem. Thank you. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
So, as you guys can see, no at all. So this was the video for today. Now you guys have how to compare what is best for you. Order from LaVivid with a pre-cut or do by yourself. It's easy to yourself to find a place in your town. It's difficult. You trust someone in your town or not. Definitely this job from LaVivid, in my opinion, is the best option for me, because when I ask for the pre-cut, it's already done the way I like. Everything is done. I just have to place in my head. So it's up to you now, guys. Again, thank you so much for LaVivid for all the support. I'm gonna let for you guys here in the description all the information, the coupon with discounts. So if you guys have any questions or any information, please let below here and I'm gonna answer you from the next video. Thank you so much, LaVivid. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon.